Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For whatever reason, my bangs are super happy this morning. They're just very fluffy and voluminous, and I just don't have time to bring this side a little bit down, so don't mind my bangs. I cut them pretty recently, so professionally, of course, and they're just looking super perky. But today I want to review the Kaja Wing Eyeliner Stamp and Pan. I've only tried this out a couple of times. I definitely have some thoughts. I do want to do a wear test, and this cost $25. Now, I really like Kaja as a brand. I think they have really cool packaging and their products are really great. I've talked about them in other videos before, so this is definitely a brand you should totally check out. So if this is not up your alley, I would definitely look into like their eyeshadows, some of my favorites from them. It comes with this stamp, which has a left and right side, which is very important, and then the eyeliner, which is in black. They also have these instructions, which are pretty helpful. I think it's pretty self-explanatory, like with the stamping on, but you guys never know. I think this is perfect for someone who can't get their eyeliner to be even. It can't match, or you have very fidgety hands, like you just move a little too much like this. My eyeliner is never perfect, definitely not, especially since I just don't use liquid eyeliner as much as I used to. Back in the day, I would say, yeah, I could totally do it easily, but these days it's a little bit harder for me, so I want to see if this is faster than how I would usually do it, and if it's more even overall. This is the right side. Can you guys see that? I feel like my demonstration wasn't that good. There we go, much better. And you don't really have to push too hard. You can be pretty gentle with it. I'm gonna start off with my right eye. I already tightlined my eyes, as you guys can see. I'm not gonna put the stamp up here because that's too high. You almost wanna go in right where that crevice is, where your eyes meet, right there. That's where it should be placed, or at least that's where I like it to be. All right, that was super simple. As you guys can see, that was so fast. I think I did a pretty good job. It might be too dark to see because it is so black, but if you look at the back end, so the wider part, that corner should meet up right here. Might as well finish the right side. So I'm gonna go in with the pen. Just shake it up real quick. Now this is a felt tip. If you guys know, I prefer a brush tip just because they last longer and the tip tends to be a little more fine. If you guys want to know my favorite brown liquid eyeliners that are drugstore friendly, I'll leave that video right here. When I do a wing eye, I like to start in the middle, right here, and just give small strokes and then connect it like this. And then typically I like to go a little bit thinner on the inner corner. So this eyeliner is very black, which I really appreciate. Honestly, that was super easy. Now, if you guys have seen my other videos where I wear winged eyeliner, typically this is a little too short for me, and the tip of it is not as thin as I would like it to be. If you like this style, I think this stamp would be perfect for you. And if you're a beginner, or what you can do, but this is where it gets a little bit tricky and you have to have a steady hand, this is still a great starting point because at least you have the angle right and you can do that easily to the other eye. So what I would do, just to elongate my eye, and what I like to do typically, is I would bring this out, use just the tip, and go like that. Now this to me is my perfect wing eyeliner, where the wing is very fine and it just goes out a little bit more. Not bad. Let's go into the left side. Again, you want to use the wider side closest to the lash line, and that back corner should hit right at the edge. So right here. I didn't do my left side as perfectly as my right side, but I can always fix it. I think I should have gone just a touch lower. Like I should have been a hair closer right there, but that's okay. All right, my left side is not too bad. And just to compare both sides, I'm going to quickly do my mascara and I'll be right back. Honestly guys, I really do like these. The true test is going to be that wear test to see if it's long lasting, but I find the eyeliner to be super black. This is quite helpful. I think once you figure out the placement of it, like what you prefer, I do think this is easier than just freehanding it, especially if you are a beginner at this, or you just want to perfect your wing eyeliner and you do want to finally have two matching winged eyes. This is stuff that will make you late for a meeting, for a date, for school, whatever it may be. And if this tool can help you just expedite that process, I think it's worth it. Now, I'll see you guys later today for a wear test. Typically, I do like 7 to 9 hours, and right now it's, I think, almost 9 o'clock. So I'll see you guys later. And we're back. Let's see how this stamp and pen looks. So far, just looking at my camera, my eyeliner looks pretty good. I think I'm impressed, guys. But let's bring the mirror. Wow, it has pretty much stayed put. The only thing that I noticed is this eye specifically, like it's not even the other eye. The outer corner has a little bit of smudging, ever so slightly. It's very faint. My under eyes aren't as nice as they looked in the beginning of this video, but not too bad. It's almost 6 o'clock, so that's been a 9-hour day, so pretty standard for most people. I think this is worth it. Typically, I will have some marks right here on the inner corner just because of my eye shape, and there is nothing there. And the little wings are still there on either eye. I gotta say, guys, I think these are worth it. Now, the only thing that they could improve on is if you can buy these separately, because I think you might finish the pen first before the actual stamp. So if you could just buy the pen over and over again and just have the stamp forever, or maybe you'd go through the stamp pretty quickly. So to me, these are definitely long lasting, especially for my oily eyelids. The pigment is great, super black, and it was pretty easy to do. Definitely easier than just doing it free-handed. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please let me know down below, have you tried this? Have you tried anything like this? I would love to know. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more fashion and beauty content. I'll see you in another video. Bye!